This session is from Let's Learn the Concept in 5 to 10 Minutes series. This 5 minutes videos will help in case you are going for interview and need to go through and brush up the concept quickly. Playlist will be updated every week, so subscribe to the channel to see more such content anytime and share if you like it. All the best.
Hi guys, welcome back all of you. So in this session we are going to learn about the actions class in Selenium. So action class is one of the feature provided by the Selenium WebDriver, which contains multiple methods by which we can perform complex operations in the browser. So these methods mainly used to automate different keyboard and mouse operations, or keyboard or mouse events we can say. So some of these actions we are going to see in this session. So this session will help you to understand this concept clearly, and you can explain properly in the interviews as well. So for a demonstration purpose, I have created a few sample HTML web pages. So this is for a mouse over demonstration. So if we mouse over on this text, you will be able to this red text below it, right? So first we need to take our mouse cursor to this web element, the text available, and then after mouse overing, it will, if our Selenium script works successfully, then it will display this red text below it. Okay, so this is our validation point. Okay, so this is for a double click demonstration. So if you double click this text, the text color will be changed to blue. Okay, so I am going to double click on this text. Okay, so you can see that text color of this text is changed to blue. Okay, so this will be our validation point. And then next is right click demonstration. Okay, so if you right click on this text, the color will of the text will be changed to red. Okay, so I'm going to right click on this text. So you can see after right click, the color of the text changed to red. Okay, so this we will use as a validation point. And next one will be single click. So if you single click on this text, the color will be changed to orange. Okay, so if I click on this, you can see that color is changing to orange color. Okay, so we are going to automate all these four actions or operations. These are all the mouse operations with the help of actions class. Okay, so this is the class I have created, use of action class, and in this we have this method use of action class test. So first of all, we will set up our Chrome driver. Okay, so we are going to run our test case on the Chrome browser. So first thing, you need to go to that website first, right? So we will use driver.get, and here we need to paste the URL. So first we will see for mouse over. So paste it here. If you want to use any method from the actions class or method from any class, first we need to create the object for that class, right? So as we are going to use the actions class method, we will create object for actions class, actions a equal to new actions. Okay, and as an argument to this constructor of actions class, we need to provide the driver reference. Okay, because we are going to perform the actions on the currently opened driver, that is Chrome browser. So that's why we need to provide the driver here. So first let's see what is the method to perform mouse over in Selenium. Okay, so with the help of object reference of actions class, just a dot, if you press dot, it will display number of methods provided by the actions class. So as of now we are interested in mouse over. Okay, so to perform mouse over, we just have to move our cursor to that web element or that text area, right? So we are going to use the move to element method. Okay, so there are two methods, move to element. So either you can pass the web element, okay, as argument, or this we can use the web element plus by what offset, means by the position of the cursor, including x-axis and y-axis position. Okay, so as of now I am going to just use this, and I will pass my web element on which I want to do the mouse over. So here I can create a web element like drive dot find element by dot, let us inspect this. You need to mouse over this text, right? So I will inspect it, and we have ID. Okay, so I am going to use the ID properties. So ID locator dot ID and this, and after that you need to build those multiple actions together, and you need to perform that action. Okay, so these two things you need to use at the end of every action class statement. So if you don't use build.perform, nothing will be happen on the browser. Okay, So make sure you are using build.perform at the end. So what this statement will do, it will just move our cursor to that web element. That is what the mouse over. So if our Selenium script runs successfully, we will be able to see this red text below it, right? So let's go and run this first test case. Let me save it and you can run it now. You can see that this red text is showing. That means our script is working fine. It come to this mouse over text and it is displaying the red text. Okay, so this is how you can do the mouse over in Selenium using the action class method. So you need to use the move to element method and just pass on which web element you need to do the mouse over. Okay, so now let's see how to perform double click. First we need to go to that double click sample web page, right? So let me copy this. So first we will go to this website. Okay, and same actions object reference we are going to use, right? So here for double click a dot, first I need to move to that text, right? I need to first move to this text and then I will double click on this text, right? So a dot move to element, which element we need to move to this same web element. Okay, after moving to this web element we need to double click, right? So let us see, we have double click method, okay, in the actions class that we can directly use. So you need to use this double click dot build dot perform, okay, and save it. So let us see if it is working or not. Okay, so color has successfully changed to the blue. That means our Selenium script is working fine. Okay, so to perform double click, we need to use the double click method from this actions class. Okay, so this double click you can directly use in another way also. So a dot, you can directly use the double click and just pass the web element on which you want to double click. Okay, so you don't require to move to that web element. You can directly pass the locator. Okay, you can directly pass the web element. So this is the web element on which we need to double click. Okay, and after that dot build dot perform, okay, and save it. So let us see this way also. Let me comment this. So let's see if it is working or not. Okay, so this is also working fine. So this is a little variation. You can use the move to element, first move to that web element and then perform double click, or you can directly use the double click method and pass the web element directly on which you want to double click. So now let's see how to perform right click or context click in Selenium. Okay, so first we need to move to this right click sample web page. Okay, so let me copy this. So we will go to this website first. Okay, save it, and using the actions class object we are going to use the method. So which method is there to perform right click? So a dot, again you can do the move to element, move to that web element. Which web element? The same. So I have provided the id demo for all the text on all the web page for simplicity. Okay, so we'll move to that text, and then at the end dot we have context click method. Okay, context click. So here we are going to move to web element, and second is you can pass the web element. So first we will use this build.perform. Okay, so let me save it and let us run it now. Okay, so it has successfully right click on this text. That means this method is working fine. Okay, and next variation we can use it a dot, directly you can use the right click, a dot context click, and just pass this web element on which you want to right click. So control V dot use the build dot perform. Okay, save it. Okay, let's quickly see it. Okay, this is also working fine. So let's see our last operation, how to perform a click on web element. Okay, so in Selenium we have click method, right? We use drive.find element and then we have click method. So in action class also you can use method available in the action class to perform the click. Go to this website first, and by using action class object, first we will move to that web element. Okay, pretty much similar to the previous actions. We will move to that web element having id is equal to demo. Okay, dot click. So same click method. So click method is available in the Selenium WebDriver, and also click method is available in the actions class. So if your WebDriver method is not working, if click is not working, you can try with the actions class click method. Okay, in that scenario. So let's run this. Okay, so this is working fine. Color change to the orange. So let's see if we have this kind of method also directly passing the web element a dot click. Yeah, we have. So click web element. On what web element we will pass this as argument. Okay, so a dot click on this web element. Okay, dot build dot perform. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, color change to the orange, means working fine. Okay, so that's all for this session, guys. I hope this session will help you in the time of interviews. Make sure to go through this concept before you go for a Selenium interview. So if you like the content, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video soon. Thank you.